Hello friends, welcome to 5 minutes GK channel. In this video, we will see how to use a border command in Excel. Different types of borders we'll see. So let's start the video. First of all, select the cell where you want to put a border. In Home tab and this font, go here, border command. First there is a bottom border. If you select bottom border, here there is a bottom appears. If you want a bottom here, then select the cell, select the command bottom border. Here you will see the bottom border. The second border is top border. Click on top border. Here you will see the top border. If you want a top border here, select just top border. The top border will appear. Again the third command is left border. Similarly, wherever you select the cell, there is a left border will appear, and likewise the right border. Select the right border cell, then on the right of the cell border will appear. And you have drawn a border but you don't want, then select no border. Then here select the cell, click on no border, border will gone. If you want to remove all the border, just control all, select all, then click on no border. All the border will gone. Like this. If you want a full border, then you have to select the area where you want to place a full border. I want to select this area, then I'll click here, say all border, all the cell having with border. Like this. Outside border you can take. Then again select the cell, click on outside border. Here outside border will appear, but the thickness of outside border and inside border is same, as it will not see. Then what you will do is go the border, select on thick outside border, then a thick border will appear. Then the next command is bottom double border. Just selected that bottom. Here you can see a bottom double border. Again select the cell, then you will see a thick bottom border. Wherever you require a thick bottom border, you will get. Want to any highlight or any something like this. Then the another is a draw border. How to draw a border? Just select the border, a pen will appear, then you can draw a border in Excel with help of mouse. Like this you can draw. And again if you want to erase that border, select on erase, erase will appear. Just select the cell using the mouse where border will go. Like this you can use this border command. And line color will change. You select the line. When you're drawing the line, just select the color. That kind of line will appear. If you want to change the line of color, then go back to the same procedure. You can draw a red line. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel 5 minutes GK. Thank you.